Namaste. This is Yogi Anand from Advaita Yoga School. You're learning sound healing training and sound healing techniques. In this course today, we'll cover the fourth chapter. This is sound healing instruments. So in this course, in this chapter, you'll be learning about different sound healing instruments. There are lots of instruments which are used in sound healing, and according to their frequencies, their vibrational frequencies, they are used to heal the chakras. These instruments create harmonious and therapeutic sounds which facilitate healing and promotes well-being, overall health and wellness. So first instrument today we will cover is Tibetan Singing Bowls. Tibetan Singing Bowls have a rich history since beginning and over 1,000 years, and they are highly regarded in sound. Tibetan Singing Bowl is a traditional instrument which originated in the Himalaya region in the Tibet, and Tibetan singing bowls are typically made of combination of metals, and normally the metals they use are copper, tin and other alloys. So when you strike with a mallet on the Tibetan singing bowl, that produces very rich and resonant tones. Tibetan singing bowls are very popular for their grounding and calming effects. They are used to reduce the stress, promote relaxation, and balance the body's energy centers, what you call chakras. These balls are associated with the earth element. Construction. Traditional Tibetan singing balls are handcrafted from a blend of metals, including copper, tin, and other alloys. The unique composition contributes to their distinctive sound. Second property of Tibetan singing bowls is sound characteristics. Tibetan singing bowls produce very warm and complex tones with rich harmonics. The sound is often described as grounding and soothing, making them suitable for relaxation and meditation. The third property of Tibetan singing bowls is healing property. These balls are used to promote physical, psychological, and emotional healing. And these balls reduce the stress and enhance mindfulness. The vibrations they generate can resonate with the body's energy centers, chakras, and which helps in chakra healing and balancing.